Today in this video, we are checking out the new update. So message of the day changed. For some reason it's pink for me. I don't know if it is
not
for
for
you.
me though. I don't know. I'll show you my POV later.
Yeah,
Alright, so
hot pink.
I'm gonna change my cosmetics. Alright. So okay,
I
so
went into city to check out the cosmetics, so I already
Let's
know
go on
the
the slide. Let's
cosmetics.
go on the slide. Do this.
slide. Let's go
Also,
down
we
the
can't curse because
slide.
we need to get the
Wait, let me try to find
Doug,
the finger
Doug, come here. Oh my God, Doug, I can't believe you survived the update.
Of course he did.
Like, I can't believe it, Doug. I can't believe you survived the update. I can't believe it.
I didn't know it glitch.
Here you go. Everyone gets a slice. I'll cut off his head. Shh. Who wants the head?
Yo, wait, I don't think that's allowed. We gotta get the finger painter badge. I actually signed up for it.
Me too.
I have 37 subscribers.
Bro, no,
Alright, let's go check
Bro, I have a higher
Okay,
chance.
wait,
I have
let's say beach
123.
blast. Oh, well, we're doing a great collab.
You're gonna get a lot of subscribers from this. All right. Next map, city.
You're gonna get 37 of them, I'm pretty sure.
You're gonna get 123. Oh my God! Summer celebration.
Like I said,
Slide into summer with these stylish cosmetics.
Yeah, I've already checked them out.
I
Also tried using this on Doug. It doesn't work. It would have been funny though. Alright.
Oh,
By the way, the dolphin shoots water.
it does. Oh, I can equip.
Look.
I need more shiny rocks.
Hey, look.
Oh,
Look.
Oh.
give me Doug.
Wait.
Give me Doug.
Oh yeah, no, it doesn't work on Doug. I already tried. But look. Wait,
It shows a picture of Doug on him.
You see?
He's
You see the
famous.
bag? No, you don't.
He's famous. Doug is famous.
That's just a fly. Then you got the compass actually works. And that works. Look, the compass actually worked.
Oh my gosh, I got the new pit vipers.
How do you open the bag?
Got pit vipers.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, just open
Yeah.
it for you.
Nom, nom, nom,
And then you eat it.
Ooh.
Alright, by the way, there's I'm pretty sure they added new music in mountains. Like mountains I don't think had music before.
Durr.
I need it.
Wait, I have a question. Did mountains have music before?
Yeah.
Yes, it did have music.
Oh well, I didn't know that. But we're gonna check out Beach last.
Yeah.
We're gonna check out Beach last, alright?
Alright, so next map. Mountains.
Wait, I need to get okay. Now it's in this.
I don't know if they actually added anything in mountains.
I don't think they did.
the caves.
Wait,
I think caves reopened. No caves reopened.
I'm gonna be the first person in this update to do Secret Tunnel 2.0.
Where'd he go?
Secret Tunnel 2.0.
Oh, I failed. Come on, do Secret Tunnel 2.0. You gotta be the first person. Yes!
Oh, sure, I messed up. I barely.
You did it.
What?
Alright. I'm doing 1.0. I'm doing 1.0.
I'll do 1.0 also.
I'm doing, bro. I bet there's already 4-year-olds in public lobbies like, you want to do a camping role play?
Oh, 100% there is. Alright.
Gimme, you gay man!
Give me it. Oh, dang, I missed it.
I was the first person to touch Secret Tunnel.
Hey, snowballs have a new sound.
Did it?
What?
Oh yeah,
Oh, kind of.
they changed it to the old sound.
I think they have the
Alright,
same
come on,
sound.
let's
Big
go check
snowballs.
out Canyon.
They changed it back to the old
bro,
sound.
Wait up for me. I'm all the way down here. My arms are very sore from playing VR.
Canyon, I don't think it has anything.
It's not fair.
No, they changed it back to the old sound.
Oh, this is the old sound?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Alright, let's go check out Canyon. Beach is last because it's a good map.
What about clouds? What about clouds?
Clouds.
Well, I was just heading to
Okay, trampolines are still here.
W trampolines this way. Sam, I hate clouds. Boring.
Nothing in here.
Glitch?
I don't think they've added anything.
Hold up. Can I fit through here? Oh no, I can't fit through. I'm stuck.
Yeah,
Alright,
they.
let's,
Wait. They did add something. I'm stuck in the washing machine.
Bro, we can't do that. Now we got to cut that part out.
No, we're keeping it in.
Thankfully, you guys didn't see me.
Well,
Oh, they
it's your
added
fault
another
if we don't
trampoline.
get the finger painter badge.
And that was always there. Trust.
I want to bounce it.
That's weird.
I wanna
It's just
bounce it.
in the
Come
clouds.
here, boy.
Root beer! Root beer! Give me all root beer! Root beer! No root beer! No root beer! Alright, let's go to caves! Alright. Next map. Caves.
What do you mean?
Oh wait, yeah, we gotta check out canyons before beach.
I believe
Okay, what about...
Isaac needs case map, right?
Caves doesn't have anything.
That's stupid!
It probably will be tomorrow. It says it.
There's no... It
No,
can't
it
be
is.
tomorrow. It has to be on Friday. Next Friday.
I don't know.
Because there's only updates on Fridays.
Nope, nothing different about this, sadly.
Yeah, wait, no, look, they have a camping tent down there.
Oh, and a cooler.
Wait, I'm trying to...
Oh, and a grill.
No water slide part. You can't get water in canyons.
Wait, is there a water slide in beach map? What?
I don't know. That's our last map, actually.
Okay, that's the next map. Oh, I don't want to lose my snowball.
How do you have that?
What, snowball?
Yeah.
I'm modding. Guys, I got a sandball. I'm modding, bro.
Guys, I'm stuck.
Bro, where are you? Bro,
Stuck
get up
down
here.
here.
Get up here.
Defusing mods.
Wait for him. Bro,
I'm leaving.
You gotta wait for him. Oh,
Now you
shoot, my
can't get the
cover
finger painter badge.
No, wait. Dude, where are you going? Yeah, wait for him. Hold on.
Waiting
I want
for
to my
me.
cover.
Come here!
I'm taking the short way.
Timmy!
Get panned for
Navo. Timmy! Timmy!
Are you guys, wait, please tell me you guys aren't in beach yet.
We're in forest.
Okay.
Bro, what they should, you guys want to see what they should have done?
Huh?
So from
Where'd you guys go?
at least like on top of stump, a slide that goes all the way down.
I haven't really checked on top of stump actually.
Guys, go to beach map. Oh, look, guys, there's another
Oh
slide right
wait,
here.
let's all
There's
enter
another
it
here.
together at the same time.
Guys, there's another slide right here. Guys, there's
Oh.
another one.
I know.
And a cooler.
You guys in it.
I just like going
that
inside
was like
coolers.
Minecraft lava.
Alright, everyone,
Before-
line up next to each other. Get up here and line up next to each other.
We should have done this
I'm in the
mirror
middle.
for a good picture. We'll do that later.
Let's go.
No. I think. Go. Let's go. Go.
Then we
I'm
can
better
do
than
the
you!
ones that we're supposed to be doing.
Let's go. Let's go. I hope there's
can't
a water
beat me.
slide.
Fuck!
I hope.
Gimme.
What's up?
Gimme. Gimme.
Holy!
He just jumped. Bro.
Wait, there's a water slide. There's a water slide. Guys, come. Water slide. Water slide.
Oh.
Watch this. Bird monkey.
Oh.
Rush it out. Look at this. Look at this.
Woo.
Hey, I think I learned how to swim.
Oh, that's
What
all.
that was for?
Timmy.
Timmy!
Timmy.
Boing, boing, boing.
Hey
Well,
guys.
I actually haven't really seen under the water much.
Guys,
First time reaction to the...
I
Not the
believe
first time, but the first time I've
there's a
seen the beach
canyon.
map.
I believe there's mines in
I believe that caves is not even closed. I bet there's just like a secret way to get in there.
Yeah, I think there is. I believe mines is in beach map though. People said that. I was watching a live stream and then somebody said There's mines and beach back. There's an entrance to mines and
He
beach back.
could be lying, because I wouldn't be surprised. You
No,
get
everybody
fake
else is
leaks and
saying
stuff.
that. No, everybody else is saying that in their chat. So.
Oh, I don't believe that.
Gotta find it.
Oh my god! I just made a new juke. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, Lord.
Watch this. Watch this.
It's only gonna be for a while.
Hold on, I'm gonna search for a YouTube video.
Oh, come here. Come here. I found
I
something.
saw something up there. I swear I saw something up here. I see.
Yeah, they're in the city too. I saw them.
Pirates.
They're in the city too by the rocket ship.
Pirates.
They're gonna probably launch on 4th of July. I'm not gonna lie about that part.
They're in the rocket area too.
We can stop recording. We'll probably cut this part out.
No, we gotta find mountains though. I'm gonna search over live.
We can't enter mines.
I'm gonna search over live.
You can't. Let me in, please.
Yeah, we can stop recording for now.
Oh.
We gotta do that challenge.